video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my experience with using face wash and my experience with using bar soap on my face. Growing up, all I've ever known is using a bar soap on my face. So I just stick to that. Even when I just started doing skincare content, I still stick to it even when I see people using face wash on their skin, because bar soap was kind of working for me and it was not giving me issue, and my face actually doesn't really give me much problem. Since this year, I started using more face wash. This is like the third face wash I've used all through this year, and I've come to a conclusion that there is something very unique about face wash, and there's also some unique things about using bar soap on the skin. Now let's get into the advantages and disadvantages of using a face wash and a bar soap on the face, and at the end of this video I'm going to tell you guys which is best to use for your face. This is just an example of this type of bar soaps. There are lots of bar soaps that I've tried on my face. So this type of soap tends to dry out the skin. When you use it to wash your face is going to feel dry. No matter how hydrating or moisturizing you might think that the bar soap is, a face wash is 100% effective when it comes to hydrating and moisturizing the skin. You'll never know this if you've never tried it. Face wash will give you a better result when it comes to hydration and moisture of the skin after applying it on your skin. Not like when you use a face wash, you don't need to moisturize your skin. You will still use your face moisturizer and the rest, but a bar soap will tend to dry out your skin way more than face wash. Now, another thing I observed from using these two products on my face, bar soap is very sensitive on the skin. When you apply it on your skin, sometimes it can sting your skin, it can be itchy on your skin. You will know that you're actually applying something that has a lot of ingredients on your skin, a lot of strong ingredients on your face. But when it comes to face wash, it is so mild and gentle on the face. When you just apply it, you are not feeling anything. It's so calming. You are just going to love the effect of just applying face wash on the skin. That is just one beautiful thing I love since I started using face wash. It is so mild and gentle. Now, another thing is the price of getting this product. Because sometimes when you're on a budget, getting some kind of product might just be holding you back. For this face wash, I got it for 10,000 naira. And this bar soap, you can get it for as low as 1,800 naira. And now just imagine the difference in price. I can use this to wash both my face and my body for like 2 weeks, but this one definitely will last longer. That is the difference. This one will last longer. But is it everybody that has that 10,000 naira to just splurge on a face wash? The answer is no. So when it comes to that affordability, I know there are actually cheap face wash. Yes, you can actually get that. Like this particular one I'm using right now, this one is quite expensive, and comparing it to a bar soap is way cheaper, and anyone will be like, let me just use bar soap and relax. Now, another advantages and disadvantages that I've noticed from using these two products on my skin: face wash is a little bit complicated compared to using a bar soap. Bar soap, when I use this bar soap to wash my skin, my body, I can just easily still use it to wash my face. But for face wash, I have to go and pick it up again differently to start applying it on my face. And this makes my skincare a little bit bulky compared to just using the same soap I'm using on my body on my face. But this does not actually affect the skin, but it just affects the comfort of using these two products on the skin. Because one reason I actually kept using a face soap for a long time is because of the excess getting too many things on my skin. So I'm just like, let me use the soap I'm using on my body on my face. Even down to face cream. Then I don't even like to use any face cream differently on my skin. I just apply lotion I apply on my body on my face because I do not like stress. But the thing is, when it actually comes to skincare, it's all about going extra for your skin. It's not just sitting on the comfort zone and just doing your normal skincare routine. When you actually want to go extra mile for your skincare, you will actually have to leave your comfort zone. So that's for that. The next thing is brightening of the skin. The fear I always had when it comes to using a face wash was that, oh, it's going to darken my skin. It might darken my skin. So I just also stick to bar soap right there. Now that I've used face wash, honestly, face wash does not darken the skin. Especially this face fat. That was one fear I had with it, because I felt like, oh, this just hydrating product that when you start using on your skin, it will start darkening your skin. Honestly, I did not notice one bit of my face getting darker from using this face wash. And I have also tried a couple of other face wash that said they are whitening, but they did not whiten my skin, neither did they even lighten my skin, but they did not also darken my skin. So the fear that you might be having that when you use a face wash your skin might get darker, you have to kill it right now, because this is like one of the mildest face wash out there you can use. and this one does not make the skin dark. There are other really fancy ones that promise to lighten and whiten your skin, so those ones might actually do that for you. So another thing is that face wash actually helps to maintain the skin barrier more than the bar soap. Just like I said, when you use bar soap on your skin, you can start feeling this stinginess. It have disturbed your skin pH. Your skin will no longer be feeling good as before. But when it comes to face wash, it's just calm, mild, nothing disturbing your pH balance, nothing disturbing your skin at all. Everything is just perfect. Now, this is another big part about using a face wash and a bar soap. Bar soap tends to do more things on the skin when it comes to like brightening, helping with pimples, helping with sunburn, helping with maybe dark spots. Bar soaps will do more of that on your skin. They will actually help you to do that. But when it comes to face wash, honestly, face wash is just that hydrating and moisturizing cleanser for your face. It doesn't help to clear sunburn, it doesn't help to clear pimples or dark spots, but it's just there to wash your skin. So this is actually one big part, because when getting a face wash, sometimes you'll be like, face wash will not really do anything for me, it's just going to be washing my face. So that is why we have skincare to start with. Your skincare products should have things they do for you. So when it comes to deep cleansing, you are using a face wash to deep cleanse your skin. Then you can get maybe something to clear your acne, your dark spots, your pimples, and maybe your sunburn or any other issue you may have on your face. You might have to get all that products to work that for you, maybe like your face cream, your serums, your tube cream. You can actually get those results from other products. Now, just like I said, some people might not want to waste money on getting different things on their skin to work for one particular thing, so they might just want to get a bar soap that helps to do all those things on the skin. So that is where bar soap actually has a little advantage. But when you just want to wash your skin properly well without doing all that, face wash is very nice for it. So the next thing is, which of these products will repair your skin barrier? Because a lot of people have used so many different products on their skin and their skin barrier is damaged, and they just keep using and using and using the wrong products. Bar soaps like this will not help to repair your skin barrier. More of face wash will do that for you. More face wash, most of them are so good when it comes to skin barrier. And this particular one here is very nice when it comes to repairing your skin barrier. So if you are someone that is always prone to like acne, prone to different issues here and there on your face, I highly recommend you use a face wash, because face wash will just save you those problems. When your skin barrier is very healthy, you barely have more problems on your skin, or rather those problems will not just escalate. That is why I actually love face wash, because they just make your skin to have lesser problem by protecting your skin barrier. So another big thing about these two products on the face is that bar soap can easily irritate your face. For people that when they use a bar soap, they complain of different things, dryness, itchiness and all that, irritation on their face is looking red, they now have sunburn, they are soap, because of the soap they are using, their skin is very sensitive to the sun, and hence why the sunburn. So now when it comes to a face wash does not irritate the face. It's just so mild and gentle on the face. It will not irritate your skin. Very calming and gentle. Even when you enter the sun, guys, I don't mean you should not use your sunscreen, but you will not get an adverse effect compared to using like a lightning soaps like this on your face. Now, having said all these things, which of these products is actually perfect for the face? Which of them should you use? Because personally for me, I said I've been using bar soap on my face for so long. Like, this is the year that I've actually used a face wash. There are actually affordable face wash. I've used the simple face wash before. Back then, I didn't really see much from that. But now that I've used this particular one and some other ones that I used this year, I've come to a conclusion that face wash is what is best for your face. Now, I will not really go back to using a bar soap on my face. This is where I'm coming from and this is where I am. And I'm not going back to using a bar soap like this on my face. But is it bad? Will I really criticize it much? If you are not ready for it yet, it's okay to still keep on using your bar soap. But I'll really advise for you to start using face wash. Because you know, the more I learn when it comes to this skincare, I come here to show you guys or tell you guys what I've learned so far or what I have changed about my skin or my routine. I'm actually so quick to come to show or tell you guys about it. That is why this video is here, for you to also start using a face wash. So if you have using a bar soap before, you use this soap on your face and your body. I'm not saying this soap is bad for the face, but this one is healthier for the face. So loves, that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.